Hello everyone, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. I have two quick tablescapes for you. The first one is for our breakfast table, and these are the items that I'm going to use. These are all existing items, and you bet I have the Dollar Tree beaded plates from a couple of years ago, guys. These are so expensive in other high-end stores. These salad plates and napkins, they are from Pier 1. The store was closing, and I got a really good deal on those. The blue placemats are from Hobby Lobby, and the flatware is from a local liquidation store. Very inexpensive. You know those water goblets. They are a Dollar Tree classic. I created a centerpiece using some scraps. I now have all of my greenery separated into totes in the garage. And here is how everything came together. With 4 different salad plates and 4 different napkins, it was a lot of fun to pop those colors from the plates and the napkins. As an empty nester, my husband and I are going into the less is more phase of our lives. So here is our table, and the colors are doing the work for us. The table surface is dark, so the colors are just what is needed here to make this dark space pop. I do have a simple white charger, which can be added later. I topped off our tablescape with a touch of whimsy, our Mackenzie Childs dupe chandelier. It is completed and it will be featured on a network on April the 14th. And at that time, I will share the link where you can find out all the details as to how you can create or update a chandelier in your home. Next, I moved on to the dining room. It's all about pink. On this tablescape, I'm not using a runner until I start making them again. So I start out with this beautiful white placemat. It has a basket weave design to it. And these beaded chargers, acrylic, they are from Flavor Mart. These plates were purchased over a year ago from Tuesday Morning. They are Kate Spade plates and salad plate. I didn't have to shop for either of these tablescapes. This flatware is from Walmart, and I have it in gold as well as copper. I love the daintiness of a cake fork. I really do. I got these from Tuesday Morning a couple of years ago, and you probably have seen them around my home a time or two. I'm going to use the salad plate as a cake plate. So I'm going to set this on the side over on the buffet. But don't you just love that tiny little cake fork? And finally, these beautiful goblets. They are from Hobby Lobby. And again, since I'm not using a runner, I wanted to really maximize the placemat. I have a beautiful set of linen napkins, and I'm using a napkin wrap. These are so easy to use. You just insert the napkin and place it on the plate or off to the side. And I'm using the leaf design this time. The napkin wraps can also double as a flatware rest. And finally, an existing centerpiece that I created last year and shared with you guys fits right in down the center of the table. I did elevate the items that I left on the console. Just gave them a little height. Remember that tree we did earlier? Yes, it ties it all together as well. My style is becoming a little more casual, but I still wanted to have some fun in the dining room using color, an assortment of textures, and spacing everything out around the room with those heavy details to give this space simple elegance for Easter. And I hope that you guys like the result. Happy Easter and spring, everyone. Well, that's it for me, guys. I want to thank you so much for stopping by, getting into these DIYs, and being a subscriber to this channel. If you're new, go ahead, turn on the notification. You'll be notified when I have uploaded the very next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.